This is my current home, a tiny apartment house in Whitefield, Bangalore. City life, busy life, no time to chill. This is my native house, my home sweet home, located in a small town in eastern India called Berhampur, where my mom, dad, and my little sister live. The distance between Bangalore and Berhampur is 2071 kilometers. There are 3 ways to reach Berhampur. Way number 1. Go to Bangalore International Airport, fly down to Kolkata, and from there take a train to arrive at Berhampur. Way number 2. Take a train from Bangalore to Berhampur. Way number 3. This is a little tiring, a little risky, and most time consuming. But this is the most memorable journey for sure. I'm a biker and I love my motorcycle. And I also know you will love to subscribe to this channel. Now, since this is my first almost cross-country ride, I'm a bit nervous. The longer the ride, longer the preparation. And sometimes I also get ride anxiety, as in when I think about it. Hashtag ride with Orko. Anywho, preparation includes bike prep, hotel bookings, route mapping, and record videos for my future memories. But to do all of these, you need money. A lot of it. I'm a middle class guy with thousands of others' financial responsibilities. And it took 9 months for me to gather the money. But hey, I'm not complaining because great things take time to happen. Ultimately, the money is here, and let's start with the ride prep video. And with that horrible drawing out of the way, let's start up with today's video. Okay, so it's been a couple of days and I did my bike modification for the trip as well. By the way, right now I'm on my ride. So if you want to see the ride video, then I'll put a link in the description box below. And here's the thing. So what I have done is very simple. I have installed these 2 auxiliary lamp from Autofy. I have installed this aluminium knuckle guard because KTM ones are simply plastic and that will not give me any protection. Apart from that, I have installed FlashX hazard light. So in about 2 weeks, I'll be on highway traveling to my native. So right now during daytime it's too hot, but still I am heading out because I need to practice for my ride. क्योंकि जब मैं घर जाऊंगा तब तो मुझे ऐसे ही गर्मी मिलने वाला है. So tomorrow I have to go for a 200 kilometer ride, so it will be 200, 200, 400. And the reason I'm doing it is because I want to make sure that I am kind of familiar with highway rides, because after Munnar ride I didn't go out. If you don't go frequently on highways and all of a sudden you do 700 kilometers ride, then it will be a very problematic for sure. बस यही है अपडेट. बाइक हो चुका है तैयार कंप्लीटली. इसका अभी और एक सर्विस कराना है, तो वो सर्विस जब हो जाएगा तो ये बाइक को लॉन्गेस्ट राइड के लिए पूरा रेडी हो जाएगा. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट एवरीथिंग इज़ वर्किंग एज इट शुड बी. Alright people, so my bike is all set, ready to roll and everything. Now it's time to talk about the route map or the ride plan that I have created. So the distance between Bangalore and Berhampur is around 2100 kilometers, and I have broken down my ride into 4 parts. In the first part, I'll be going from Bangalore to Vijayawada, which is around 700 kilometers. Then second day, from Vijayawada to Berhampur, Orissa, which is another 700 kilometers. Basically for first 2 days, I'm gonna be riding 700 kilometers each. So the last 700 kilometers I have broken down into 2 days of rides, because from Orissa to my home, the road condition is not that good. That's what I heard. Now the thing is, I don't want to rush for last 2 days. I want to take it slow. I have to take it peacefully. So that's why the last 2 days of ride will be 350 kilometers each. So third day I'll be entering to West Bengal, that is Kharagpur, and from Kharagpur to my hometown Berhampur, West Bengal, which is another 350 kilometers, that I'll be entering on 4th day. and that's the right plan. I hope that everything goes smooth and according to the plan. मैं घर जा रहा हूँ कुछ 1-2 महीनों के लिए एंड दिस आर द स्टफ दैट आई नीड टू टेक. फटाफट चलते हैं और क्विकली मैं बता देता हूँ कि मैं क्या क्या लेके जा रहा हूँ. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस एरिया, these are all my like daily essentials. My dad never had Chikmagalur coffee, so I'm taking Chikmagalur coffee with me to surprise my dad. Okay, and some dry fruits for the road, some mouth fresheners, again mouth freshener, and couple of disposable masks because that is important. और ये वॉलिनी स्प्रे, पता नहीं कब क्या हो जाए, इनो क्योंकि काम शुरू हो जाता है 6 सेकंड में, एंड सैनिटाइज़र. कमिंग टू दिस इज़ माई रेन गियर. बारिश तो होने वाला है नहीं बट स्टिल मैं लेके जा रहा हूँ जस्ट इन केस. 2 cans ऑफ चेन ल्यूब, सो दिस इज़ अ स्मॉल कैन, और इसमें थोड़ा बहुत ल्यूब भी बचा हुआ है तो ये रास्ते में तो यूज़ हो जाएगा, एटलीस्ट ये तो यूज़ हो ही जाएगा. एंड दिस इज़ माई पंक्चर किट, puncture repair kit, MI tire inflator, and my bike toolkit. So these are all like repair kit that I need for the road. This is my vlogging stuff. So some mounts, couple of mounts, couple of data cable, 3-way mounts, power bank, some strap, Insta360 tripod. Then I have this mobile gimbal, few memory cards. So I have to take 2 laptops. This is my personal laptop where I'm gonna do my editing because editing भी ज़रूरी है. ये है ऑफिस का लैपटॉप क्योंकि काम भी ज़रूरी है, नहीं तो ये सब कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा. और ये है मेरा पूरा 1 month का क्लोथ. I don't carry that much amount of cloth because मुझे उतना कपड़े का ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ता to be honest. तो मेरे पास जितना कपड़ा है इसमें 1 month तो आराम से चल जाएगा. Apart from that, I have few bungee strap. These are all very essentials. So I think 2 में से काम हो जाएगा, but एक मैं just रख रहा हूँ just in case. Riding gloves, I have 1 pair more. This is a resistant band for Decathlon, and this is very important. थोड़ा बहुत stretching के लिए काम आ जाएगा. And also I have this stress release. This is also very useful. कभी कभी मतलब हाथ चलाते चलाते, बाइक चलाते चलाते क्या होता है, फिंगर्स बहुत अकड़ जाता है, तो at that time you can squeeze it and you can have little bit of blood circulation in your hand. And ये जो जितना भी सामान आप देख रहे हो इधर, everything will go in these bags. So I have Guardian Gears का 1 tank bag जिसमें मेरा ब्लॉगिंग और जो भी मुझे क्विक चाहिए वो सब आ जाएगा. इसमें जाएगा मेरा थोड़ा बहुत खाने पीने का सामान, पानी का बॉटल एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. इसमें जाएगा मेरा टॉयलेटरी एंड जो भी मेरा क्रीम, मॉइस्चराइजर, ये सब चला जाएगा. सो दिस विल हैव माय रेन गियर एंड पंचर रिपेयर किट. एंड दिस बैग विल हैव माय ऑफिस का सामान पूरा इसमें, और इसमें मेरा कपड़ा और पर्सनल लैपटॉप इसमें चला जाएगा. एंड इतना सारा बैग हो गया ना. एंड ये जो 3 बैग आप देख रहे हो, दिस 3 bags विल गो इनसाइड माई टॉप बॉक्स. शायद का 29 लीटर का टॉप बॉक्स है. सो ये 3 बैग्स जो है वो इतना हैवी नहीं होगा, सो दैट्स वाई आई फेल्ट कि उसको टॉप बॉक्स में डाल दूंगा तो मेरा काम हो जाएगा. बट या अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई थिंक दिस इज़ इट. अभी बस ये सब कुछ पैक करना है. So you're gonna see the time lapse, and once that packing is done, I'm all set to leave, man. Alright guys, so my bike is ready, my bags are packed. I am kind of ready because I still have little bit of ride anxiety that I am facing. Maybe because this is my first longest ride, that's the reason. But anyway, whatever it is, I am confident that everything will go according to the plan. And stay tuned for the upcoming episodes. I'm gonna be making around 4 episodes or 5 episode. I really don't know. Please guys, if you are still here and watching this video, and if you see that subscribe button is in red color, then please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button to make it gray. And also, I will see you whenever I'll see you. You take care of yourself and stay tuned for the upcoming episodes. Bye bye. दिस एयरप्लेन, नो, आई हेट इट मैन, हेट इट. जब भी शूट करने जाओ, कुछ करने जाओ,